Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Flokichain token. Name of the token is Floki Space Chain. Flokichain, all one word, is the ticker symbol. You can find this token on CoinMarketCap. I believe it just got listed on there today. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description. Let's get into this token here. Flokichain. So Dogechain has been doing very well recently. And now we got Flokichain. Flokichain is not doing very well right now. This is actually an ERC20 token, an Ethereum token. It's not the actual chain yet. This is probably like some sort of Kickstarter or something like that. I haven't gone over the info yet, but that's what I assume it is, because it is not on their own chain. And yeah, so Dogechain has been doing very well. So now we got Flokichain coming out. Now I was just on Pink Sale as well, and I'm looking at new tokens on the Launchpad list. So we got SHIB Chain coming out, which is going to be for pre-sale. I might do a video on that token, I don't know. And then we also have King Corgi Chain coming out. So all these tokens now are trying to do what Dogechain did, I guess, and try to get their own chain and see how that goes. You know, there's unlimited dog tokens, but now we're having dog token chains is the new trend, it looks like, because I mean, that's 3 that I just saw today, 3 new ones: Flokichain, SHIB Chain, and King Corgi Chain. And I'm sure if I looked even more thoroughly, I would probably find at least 10 more that came out today. Now, FlokiChainERC.com is their official webpage. They do have an Ether scan on here. It says so far they have 671 holders, 7,079 transfers, 18 decimal places on this token, and we have a total supply of, max total supply, I should say, of 1 trillion tokens. So this is an Ethereum token, so if you did want to buy this token, you would simply fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, go into the dApps, find Uniswap, and trade your Ethereum for the Flokichain token using the contract address that you can find on their Etherscan. You can find it on CoinMarketCap, or you can find it on their webpage, FlokiChainERC.com. You might have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we will go over that. So they do have a Twitter listed on here and a Telegram, and a Medium, I mean. You can find their Medium at Flokichain, and their Twitter is at Flokichain as well. So if you go, and you can find their Telegram if you go over to their Twitter. It's listed on there. They only have 345 followers, but they basically just joined Twitter in September, so they could have joined, you know, they only have 14 tweets so far. Let's see when their very first tweet is from. It looks like it is from September 4th, and today's September 6th. So their Twitter just came out. It says Flokichain is now live. So this token is basically like 2 days old. Very, very brand new token. And it's not doing well today. It's down 21.63% right now after their initial CoinMarketCap listing. So that's a shame. They do have roadmap, tokenomics, utility section, buy now section, chart, all that stuff's on their webpage. I don't see a white paper or audit or KYC or anything, so that could have something to do with it not doing well, but let's see. So it says, welcome to Flokichain. Flokichain will build its very own blockchain network. So this, like I said, this is kind of like a Kickstarter token. You know, they start with a BNB token or Ethereum token. You know, they get a lot of investors aping in on it. People want this chain to come out, so they ape in on it. And then eventually they accumulate enough funds where they can build their own chain. and do what Dogechain did. So, well, right now they're not off to a good start, but well, you never know. Things could turn around. Flokichain will build its very own blockchain network, a layer 2 for Floki Inu. Flokichain, a proof-of-stake POS blockchain that runs on the Polygon network. Polygon is Ethereum's largest sidechain and is compatible with Ethereum Virtual Machine. This means that Flokichain will also support apps and games developed by Ethereum, and it says coming soon, so obviously it's not available yet. So they're going to have the Flokichain NFTs, so this is the utility that they're going to come out with. The Flokichain NFTs, Flokichain Swap, so they're going to have their own DEX, future BNB bridge, and Flokichain Wallet, so their own wallet where you could store basically all the tokens that run on the Flokichain, just like Doge. So it says documentation, white paper, and deck. It looks like they do have a white paper. Let me click on it, and it doesn't work when you click on it. So then no, they don't have a white paper, but it looks like it will be there eventually. Phase 1 of their roadmap. So far all they have done is social media setup, Flokichain Fair Stealth launch, website V1, and CoinMarketCap listing, and it says CoinGecko listing. I don't know if they're on CoinGecko yet. They might be. And yeah, so that's basically all they got so far, but like to give them a little credit, they're only 2 days old, and they did get a CoinMarketCap listing, but I think what tokens should do is before they get a CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listing where they're going to get a lot of eyeballs on their token, is they should have more things in place first, so investors go, oh, and they see the token and they see, oh, audit, KYC, white paper, you know, all these utilities, all these things in place, and then they go, oh, I should get in on this. Compared to, are they going to even come out with anything? I don't know, right? So it's just a guess. They say white paper V1.0 is the next step on the roadmap. Then contract audited. First central exchange listing, 500 plus holders, 500 plus Telegram members, major partnerships. Phase 2 is going to be white paper V2, website V2, Binance Smart Chain Bridge, then Phantom Bridge, and AVAX Bridge. More holders, more Telegram followers, more Twitter followers, major partnerships, and then phase 3 is going to have more of all those things I just said, major partnerships and Flokichain NFT collection. So that comes out in phase 3, and then phase 4 just basically says Flokichain Live. As we are a community-driven project, we also will add suggestions from the community, and along the project there will be plenty of more things that will be coming as surprises. Stay tuned. Buy and sell tax is going to be 3%, it says. And that just goes to development tax, 1 trillion total supply. It says CA renounced 0 team tokens. I didn't see any warnings or anything on CoinMarketCap, so, you know, when a token has a sketchy smart contract, they usually leave a warning, but you never know. I don't see a full audit or anything like that, so just be aware of that. Hopefully they come out with more security measures and things like that for investors to look at. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is, and check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.